Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. In this lecture, we are going to discuss marquee tag. So, what is marquee tag? It creates with the help of this tag, we can scroll our text on web page. The scroll in the sense, suppose this is one of the web page. This is a web page, and the text is scrolled to here. Like everyone knows news channel, right? So, in a border, there is a news will be scrolled from left to right. So, in the way the same left to right, some news channel can be placed like right to left. So, here in this way we can represent our content, means we are floating our content one direction to another direction, and there is no limit to how many number of times we can repeat our text. So here we can scroll two type of contents. One is text, we can scroll, and we can scroll our image. Just you observe, with the help of marquee tag we can achieve this. Here in a marquee tag supports a number of attributes, and before starting this marquee, and you know that this is marquee tag is deprecated from HTML5. From HTML5 the marquee tag is not supported, but as per academics and in a real time you are aware on this topic, and we are achieving this facility, this scrolling facility, with the help of CSS and with the help of JavaScript. We can achieve this type of presentation, animation. So marquee tag is a paid tag. Marquee tag is a paid tag, and with the help of this marquee tag we can rotate, we can scroll text, right? Just you observe here, this is a marquee. Just what happens, you observe, the content will be scrolled right to left. Automatically the right to left, the content will be scrolled a number of times, it will be scrolled. So that type of scrolling done with this marquee tag. And marquee tag support number of attributes that are behavior, bg color, and direction, loop, width, height, and scroll delays. These all are most important attributes. Most one is the behavior of the marquee is most important one. So what is a behavior and what is a direction? We know about, we think about this. The totally this behavior attribute provides three values. This property having three values. First one is slide. Slide in the sense the content is rotating. Just you observe, this is a web page. Your content is scrolled from right side to left side. When it reach to left side, automatically your scroll will be stopped. When we are using the scrolling, automatically the the entire content will be scrolled continuously. Right to left, continuously it will be scrolled. And what is alternative? Alternative is different. This is a web page, and your content is start from here and end here, and again when it reached this one, and again it starts to left to right. Means your content is rotating right to left and left to right. Just observe, we are checking this feature. Just to observe, this is a defaultly it will be achieved. So we can this one. So actually it was removed. So what? It is not supporting that attribute directly. Behavior. So suppose you want to scroll. So what is happen? Just observe, scroll. Scroll means continuously scrolling. This is a default one. And right, we need to place slide. It will be stopped actually, right? It will be stopped. I want to take one more marquee tag for understanding purpose. And marquee tag is a inline element. So br tag marquee. I want to change here alternate. Just to observe, alternate. What happens? This way. One is stopped at one side, and I want to again br, and again I want to use scroll. What happens? You observe output. Yes, you observe. Yes, one time I want to refresh this one. So in this way it will be done, right? So, and not only this behavior attribute, and again you observe, and again it having different type of attributes, just observe. I don't want to this, I'm slide, and I want to use one direction. There is a direction attribute is there. Direction, what direction you want to place? So here just up, I am taking up means single time, down, what happens? So you can use scroll. So it can use only limited space now. So you required width, right? Width 50% I am using here. Only in an inline element it takes only 50%. How much height you want to take? Height equal to 50%. 50%. This is a height. Height can be changed, right? It can be changed. Height and width. How much space you required for your marquee? Next, not only that, width, height is there, and if you can use background color to your marquee, right? Background BG color. Suppose I am using red. Otherwise, you require to use green. Automatically it updates, right? And you required speed. How do you can change speed of this marquee tag speed, right? For that you can use scroll amount equal to I am using 5. Suppose I am using 10, the speed will be changed. You observe. Suppose I am using 40, and that is a different, right? And you observe there is a scroll amount. How many times you want to rotate this? How many times? Number of times, or you want to rotate only particular times? For that you can use loop attribute. Loop. I want to use this one only 5 times. 5 times only it will be loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just it stops. The loop in the sense it is repeating. Only how many times you want to repeat that. So it will be only 10 times it will be changed. And these are important attributes, right? So suppose you want to use a down is there now. Suppose left. I am using left. This one. The loop is only 10. Suppose we are using here 2. Only 2 times it will be do. 1 and 2. I think it's finished. I think it's over. So alternate. And left to right it will be travel. And we are using width 100%, right? Defaultly it takes 100%, right? This is 100%. Only 2 times it will be rotate, right? 1, 2 is finished. Why? Because the loop we are using here only 2. Loop value is we are using 2. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe. So in our classes, theoretically and practically we learn. So please support FS with SRIKANTH. Right. Thank you. Have a nice day.